Choosing the right truck mount is one of the most important business decisions you'll make. Whether you're just starting out or already have a thriving cleaning and restoration company, there are many options available to you. And with so many different brands and models, all with numerous features, specifications, and a wide range of prices, it can be challenging to know which truck mount is the best fit for your business. The good news? Legend Brands Cleaning is the leading single source for truck mounts and everything cleaning, offering Sapphire, Scientific, and ProChem, the industry's most trusted, reliable, and complete line of truck mounts, accessories, and solutions. From entry-level systems for residential and light commercial cleaning to super powerful options for large commercial, multi-operator, and hard surface cleaning, we have everything you need to grow your business. Look to Legend Brands truck mounts for superior engineering, plus the highest quality industrial components designed to outperform the competition in these key ways. Heat delivers consistent high heat solution temperatures so you can tackle the toughest cleaning jobs. The hotter the water, the better the cleaning. Extraction. Great extraction starts with high-performance vacuum for faster drying times, more soil removal, and happier customers. Better vacuum produces better results. And for flood extraction, high vacuum produces a rapid and thorough extraction, so you can move on to the next stage of restoration sooner. Size. We offer many different sizes of space-saving models designed by industry experts specifically to maximize space in your vehicle, so you can stock all the onboard tools, solutions, and accessories needed to maximize your profits. Serviceability. You will appreciate how Legend Brands engineers truck mounts with serviceability in mind. Our easy maintenance designs reduce service costs and hassle. When it's easy to maintain, it's easy to keep running, and that's how you make money. Reliability. Legend Brands has a proven record of manufacturing reliable machines that provide thousands of hours of trouble-free operation. We stand behind what we build because your success matters to us. Durability. From the frame up, we manufacture durable truck mounts to withstand the rigorous demands of the professional cleaning and restoration contractor. We know you work hard, and your equipment has to too. That's why Legend Brands cleaning truck mounts lead the industry with the highest resale value, a real bonus when you decide to bump up to the next level. Eye for detail. Our eye for detail helps give you a competitive edge because it's not enough just to lead the industry in performance and reliability. We know your customer's perception of your service starts with how professional your equipment looks. That's why we invest in creating attractive automotive-inspired, high-performance designs for impressive curb appeal. And we support our customers after the sale with education, technical support, and easy access to parts and service through our extensive network of dealers. Legend Brands is the industry's only manufacturer dedicated to both the professional cleaning and restoration industry, and we are driven to help our customers succeed. It's our privilege to work with thousands of entrepreneurs like you across the globe and respect the importance of our equipment's performance to your success. Propel your business today with the Legend Brands Cleaning Truck Mount.